Hello, welcome to M.I.B Multipurpose Lab. Today we are going to look at quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. When we say quadratic equation, it's an equation that has the general form. It has the general form. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a is the coefficient, of x squared. B is the coefficient, where b is the coefficient of x, and c is the arbitrary constant. So this is what we have. A general form of a quadratic equation is given by ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a is the coefficient of x squared. It is called the coefficient of x squared. It is called the coefficient of x squared because it is the constant attached to the variable x squared. B2 is the coefficient of x, and c is the arbitrary constant. It is arbitrary because it can change with time. It keeps changing with time. It can take any value. It can be -1, 3/2, 0.5. It can be any value here. So examples of a quadratic equation are: we can have 2x squared minus 6x plus 4 equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation in x. Also, I can have like 3m squared plus 4m plus 5 equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation in M. Still, the highest power of the unknown is 2, therefore it is considered a quadratic equation. Another example, I can have x squared minus 4 equals to 0. This too is a quadratic equation. Some might ask, why is the middle term? The middle term is 0 in this case, because this equation can be written as x squared plus 0x minus 4 equals to 0. So now that we know what a quadratic equation is, how do we solve a quadratic equation? For we to be able to solve a quadratic equation, we have to know the methods of solution. We have to know the methods of solution. We have to know the methods of solution. Basically, we have 4 methods. The first one is called factorization method. Factorization method. The second one, it is called formula method. The third one, it is called completing the square method. Completing the square method. And the fourth one, it is called graphical method. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.